Hey guys, welcome to another Quick Tip Thursday, and I want to use this Quick Tip Thursday to answer a question that I've had so many times. I don't even know how many times, but so many times. And if you clicked on this video, you probably have this same problem. And that problem is that you drag your clip, your video, to your timeline and the audio is missing. And you're just like, huh? So you double click on it to open it up in the source monitor to check if there's actually audio and you didn't forget to turn on your mic. There is audio. So you drag it to the timeline again and there is still no audio. What? There is actually a very simple solution for this. What I want you to do is to go to your timeline and then make sure that V1 and A1 are both selected, because as you can see right now, only V1 is selected. So if I drag my clip to the timeline, only the video part will be on the timeline. But now if I click on A1 and I drag my clip to the timeline again, both the video and the audio will appear on the timeline. It is really that simple, but trust me, it can be so frustrating when you don't know what's going on. You've looked everywhere and you just cannot find the solution. Well, here it is. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell if you haven't already. And of course, make sure to check out this video if you want to become a better video editor. And my guess is that you probably want to.